we want to press F for fill. We're going to go E for extrude, and we're just going to bring up the second face. S for scale to go outwards again. E for extrude, S for scale, and then we're just going to go E, S, and I will show you from the side view right here what we're doing. So you just want to you just want to go, you know what a bowl looks like, I guess. So you just want to go from very small at the bottom to quite large, and then we're going to come in and we'll do the inside. So select this face again. You go E for extrude, and then you're going S for scale, which I'm on S for scale. E for extrude, S for scale, and we're just going to work our way up. It's that simple. Make sure that you're scaling all the way around, you're not just on one vertices. E for extrude, S for scale, and as we get closer to the top, we're just going to get steeper and steeper. That's all we need to do. And we get a little bit closer. The more vertices that you have and the more faces that you have, the smoother your object will be. But if you do subdivide, the more random access memory your project may take up. So it makes your computer a little bit slower, but we'll come to that bridge when we get to it. So we're just going to go up a little bit more and up one more, and I think that will do. For a basic bowl shape, it's a bit of a tall bowl. I'm just going to pull that down a little bit, and then we're going to go S for scale inwards, E for extrude, keep it on the same level, S inwards so that it's flat, E for extrude, and we're going to go downwards, scale just slightly inwards. Now I'm going to make this one an X-ray vision so you can see where I'm going with this. So if it's a porcelain bowl, it will be a little bit thicker. If it's a plastic bowl, it will be a little bit thinner. So depending on what you're going to make your bowl as is how big the inside of your bowl is going to be. So then we're going to go E, and we're just going to scale outwards just slightly just to make a little bit of a lip. And then we're going to go E again. And you notice that we're coming down on the inside of the bowl right here. I'm just going to stop there, and then I'm going to go E again. And then at the bottom, we want to sculpt round. So we're going to go scale, make sure that it's even on all sides, just press S. And then E for extrude again, click. And then we're going to go S to scale in. I think I've gone a bit too far there, so I'm just going to bring mine up. And then E. And you just want to, you want that little gap at the bottom. Scale in again, and that's going to smooth out the bottom of the bowl for you, so that when you come to the object mode, right click and click shade, and there we go. There we have it.